The pressure in the central heating system needs to be roughly between 1 to 1.5 bar. If you notice the pressure gauge being too low, or the boiler fails to operate because there's not enough pressure in the boiler, then it's just an easy process of adjusting the pressure. So we need to take it between 1 and 1.5 bar. In order to do that, we need to get access to the pipework below the boiler. So in this house we have this cover which is covering the pipework. So if I remove this cover, we're now exposing the pipework to where you will see the filling valves. So you'll see a metal braided hose. On each side of the metal braided hose you'll see an isolation valve. So if I turn the isolation valve down, and we have a flathead slotted screwdriver on the other side. If I slowly adjust it, take it to 1 bar, and then turn it back off, and then turning the other valve off, then that's roughly where the pressure needs to be, 1 to 1.5 bar. If the pressures be too high, then there's two things we can do about it. One, you can either bleed a radiator, catch it into a container, which will bring the pressure down, or two, you can phone Newport City Homes and we'll get either myself or another gas operative outside to investigate further.